He's just not letting him in. He's like, nope, you're not gonna get in. Look, watch. No matter what, he ended up getting in anyway. He really didn't want to let him in though. He said no. Like what? Look, what? 2 seconds. One car in front of you is like 2 seconds. What difference does it make? Oh, yeah. Mom said you might have had. Ooh, that was almost an accident there. Injury. Like you got to be specific. Like they just want you to. Okay, that dude just ran the light. Road rage. Wow. Look at this. Just go ahead. Let me try to help you guys defuse. Oh, wow. Look at this truck. You can't make this up, man. Wow. You can't make this up, I'm telling you. Look at this guy. Look.
Red light camera in 0.1 mile.
So riding the wrong way. Yeah, that's already done. It's always that one.
And put a camera there for what you call it, man. This
No fucks given. Yeah, just like that, huh?
You're going down.
Buses. See, it tells them one way and they change their mind last minute, go the other way.